And applications of PINFET. PINFET is used in a line terminating repeater and in optical communication system. So you know that PINFET, I told you, it is used as a receiver in optical communication, right? So there is something called as a repeater. So repeater is receiver is the end of your communication channel. You know that, right? So receiver, whatever signal is sent, the receiver will receive the signal and decode it and give it to the respected output of the system. But what is repeater is, if you're going for long distance transmission, then you cannot send the signal in a single go, because the signal is going to travel a long distance. It will get attenuated. That means the power of the signal will start decaying. So in that case, you will be installing devices called as repeaters. So repeaters, what they will do, they will receive the signal, they will amplify it, and they will again retransmit. Okay, so that is the purpose of repeater. So in case of long distance transmission where your signal is being affected by a lot of noise and other factors, you can even use this PINFET as a repeater unit. So it is basically a receiver, but if the situation demands, you can use this PINFET as a repeater also. The light is coupled to the detector stage through multimodal optical fiber, which allows excellent coupling with single mode or multimode fiber systems. So, so you can couple this PINFET perfectly with optical fibers where the light is traveling inside, carrying the data. So that light can be focused on the P region so that it can effectively couple and produce the required amount of photocurrent. So it has a very high sensitivity and wide dynamic range. Sensitivity means, even when light with very small amount of power is going to fall on the device, it is going to recognize that and produce photocurrent. That is sensitivity. The sensitivity is very, very high and wide dynamic range. It can operate in a wide range of values, or I can say it can produce current in a wide range of values. So if the existing LED transmitter is used along with PINFET receiver, you can if you are going to use with this PINFET with an LED, you can send data up to 40 kilometers, and that speed is going to be 100 Mbps. So that is the extreme high quality performance provided by this PINFET. So normal PIN diode cannot separately provide a very high speed, or it cannot work for a long distance. But when you are going to integrate PIN, photodiode, and FET is mainly used for amplification. So it is going to operate for a length of 40 kilometers, and the data rate is going to be 100 Mbps. So after 40 kilometers, what do they say? The link will work fine, but the performance is not guaranteed. So if the total distance what you want to transmit is 80 kilometers, then at 40 kilometers, you have to keep a repeater. So from 0 to 40 kilometers, the signal will be going fine. At 40 kilometers, signal will be amplified, which is enough for the signal to travel for another 40 kilometers. So in case of a single one step data transmission is not possible, you can install repeaters and ensure that the signal is transmitted with the required amount of power. Okay, that is the application of PINFET. So PINFET is going to be integration of PIN, photodiode, and FET. So PIN photodiode will take care of receiving the optical signal and converting it back into electrical signal in the form of current. That current is called as photocurrent, and this FET will take care of amplifying that photocurrent for requirement for the application.